Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about approximate analysis, Unit 5 in EDC. Approximate analysis, this is also one of the most important topic in EDC. This is an exact model, already we discussed in the last class. Exact hybrid model, RS and VS, source resistance and source, followed by the hybrid model, HIE and HRE into VC, HFE into IB, HOE, RL, and the load current is IL. Here I am taking CE configuration. The best configuration we are going to use is CE configuration. That is why I am taking CE H parameter model. CE H parameter model. In CE, in place of HI you can take HIE. In place of HRE, HR you can take HRE. In place of HF you can take HFE. In place of HO you can take HOE. And HRE into V2. This is in CE configuration, output voltage is VCE or VC. This is a CE configuration. Input is base and emitter and output is collector. Input voltage is VBE and output voltage is VCE. This is the CE configuration. In CE configuration, input voltage is VBE, output voltage is VCE. Here I am taking input voltage may be input voltage may be VB in place of VBE, and output voltage I am taking as VC. It may be VCE, it may be VBE. You can take anyone, no problem. VBE, VCE. So this is the approximate model. How we got approximate model we will see now. So in place of VCE I am taking only VC. In place of VBE I am taking only VB. Input voltage VB, output voltage VC. If you want, you may take VBE and VCE, no problem. Then how this exact model can be converted into approximate model we will see now by making some modifications. That is HOE into RL value is less than 1, that is approximate model. You can find, he will give HOE value and RL value. You can multiply those two values. If that is less than 1, then the given model is approximate model. Or HOE and RL both are parallel. HOE and RL both are parallel. And then two resistances are in parallel. Which one is having less resistance? That will be the output. HOE is very high, output resistance is very high. RL is less resistance compared to HOE. If both are parallel, two resistances are in parallel, one is high, one is low, the resultant is low resistance value. So that is why I am going to neglect HOE. In this circuit I am going to neglect HOE. Similarly, HRE into HFE, if you multiply those two, that is approximately equal to 0.01. That is approximately equal to 0.01. Then HRE also neglected. Here HRE also neglected. So these are the two modifications, and then the circuit becoming like this. In place of HIE, I am taking HIE. This one is neglected, and HFIV as it is, and HOE is neglected. So this is a common model for all configurations. And RL and VS, RS are additionally we will get for any amplifier. It may be common emitter configuration, common base configuration, or common collector configuration. From this circuit, I am going to rewrite a generalized model. That is generalized model. So here input is base, and here we have HIE, and output is collector that is connecting to emitter, that is HFEIB, and emitter is no resistances or no components are there. This is generalized model. For this generalized model, from this generalized model, we may write common emitter, common base, common collector, any configuration. Approximate CE analysis. Let us take first analysis, that is for common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration means already we discussed here. Common emitter means emitter is common, input is base, output is collector. From this, emitter is common and input is base, that is HIE, and output is collector, HFEIB. output is HFE IB. So here in addition for the amplifier Vs and Rs we will take from the amplifier circuit, and across RL we will take the output. Then first parameter current gain is equal to IL by IB, output current by input current. Output current is IL, input current is IB, IL by IB. We know that IL and IC, here the current is, the output current at the collector terminal is IC. So IL and IC both are in opposite direction, that is minus IC by IB. What is IC? IC is approximately equal to HFE IB. Here this current and these currents both are same direction and both are equal, then IC is equal to HFE IB. I am substituting HFE IB. Already minus here we have minus. In place of IC, HFE IB. Already we have IB in the denominator. Then IB get cancelled. HFE minus HFE is the current gain. Current gain is minus HFE. Or simply current gain for exact analysis is minus HFE by 1 plus HOE into RL for CE configuration. Minus HFE by 1 plus HOE into RL. So here in this final formula, what are the terms are not there in the circuit? HOE is not there in the approximate circuit. That is why I am going to neglect this HOE term. That is HOE into RL is neglected. Then the finally current gain is equal to minus HFE. Minus HFE. Like this also you may write. Similarly we will go for input impedance and voltage gain. The next parameter is input impedance Zi. The next parameter is input impedance Zi is equal to VBE by IB. VBE by IB. The input voltage VBE, otherwise you may take VB. VB in place of VB you may take VB. For the simplification purpose, for easy purpose I am taking VB. Output voltage is VCE or VC. So VB by IB, V equal to IR, input current into input impedance or input resistance, IB into HIE, IB into HIE, IB into HIE by IB, IB get cancelled, HIE. So input impedance is equal to HIE for the approximate CE analysis. Then similarly voltage gain is equal to VCE by VBE, otherwise VC by VB or VC by VB. You may take VC by VB. Here you may write VBE and here you may write VCE. Then you can take VCE and VBE. But I am taking VC and VB. That is why VC by VB I am going to write. V equal to IR. V equal to IR. Output voltage is equal to output current into output resistance IL into RL by input voltage into input voltage VB is equal to current into input resistance or input impedance IB into HIE. IB into HIE is equal to VBE or VB. So here again IL is equal to minus IC. Both are in opposite direction. Minus IC into RL by IB into HIE. So again IC is equal to what? HFE IB. Minus as it is minus HFE into IB into RL by IB into HIE. Then both IBs will get cancelled. Then minus HFE into RL by HIE. Minus HFE into RL by HIE is the voltage gain. Voltage gain for approximate analysis in CE amplifier. Similarly, output admittance. Output admittance is equal to output current by output voltage. Output current by output voltage. IL by VCE. V equal to IR again. IL by IL into RL. IL into RL. IL get cancelled 1 by RL. If you want, you may write output admittance as 1 by RL. Otherwise, output impedance. Output impedance Z0 is equal to 1 by Y0. 1 by RL. That is equal to RL. Output impedance is equal to RL. So in this manner, you may find all the parameters. One is a current gain. That is minus HFE. Voltage gain is equal to minus HFE into RL by HIE, and current input impedance is equal to HIE, and output admittance is equal to 1 by RL. Similarly, you may find common base configuration. All the parameters in common base configuration. Let us see how we can write common base configuration from the generalized model. this is a common base configuration. This is common base configuration. Input is emitter, output is collector. So here input is emitter, so this is a common emitter configuration approximate model, common base configuration approximate model, common base configuration approximate model. Vs and Rs will get Vs and Rs as is, you'll get Vs and Rs for any configuration. We'll get these two, and RL also will get for any configuration. In common base configuration, input is emitter, output is collector, and base is grounded. Base is grounded. This is emitter, this is collector. Then similarly you can find voltage gain, current gain, input impedance, admittance, output impedance, all those. If you want to find current gain, IL by IE, like that you may find all the parameters. This is about approximate analysis using H parameters. Thank you.